Get ready for a high-flying adventure with our Ketchikan Rainforest Canopy Zipline Tour. Before we start you on our 7 Zipline 3 suspension bridge course, we'll show you how to zipline on a short practice line just to make sure you feel comfortable. The course will take you on an adventure through the trees like you've never experienced. You'll get a chance to see our protected estuary below from a bird's eye view. This tour is a great way to get up into those trees and see the spectacular wildlife while flying through the forest.